She had a moldy, leaky porch, and it wasn't very accessible, and it wasn't an area you'd want to be in. And she wanted to open it up, and there was a lot of discussion if it was going to be screened in or not. And then it was just playing with the doors and windows, just seeing how cool we could make it. Definitely the doors and the two windows, how that worked out. They don't go to the floor, and the outswing, the threshold is level with the porch and the house, so that made it really cool. And then all we had to do was just play with copper. It was a fun project to do, and enjoy doing it, and we've done a few more since then.